So, got myself a gaming chair. I went on Amazon, thought about paying between £85 and £120, but I ended up buying this Yolio or Yolio gaming chair. Put your comments down below. I don't know how to pronounce it, so if you know how to pronounce it, then correct me. I'm going to call it Yolio. So I got myself this Yolio gaming chair for like 85 quid. As you just saw, it was 110ish around that point. Varies, but I waited obviously because I didn't want to pay 110. But yeah, I'm going to put it all together in this video. This is just going to be an unboxing and a setup video, you know, me using the device and speeding through the entire process. So this video isn't a tutorial of how to put it together. It's just a quick, you know, time lapse to put it all together, but the entire thing is going to be super entertaining, so make sure you stick to the end. Give it a like, give it a sub at the end of the video, share it if you want as well. So let's get right into it. The gaming seat's quite comfortable. I'm sitting on it right now while I'm doing the voiceover. The arm pads are, yeah, they're a bit filled, a bit like textured, not the best quality of plastic and rubber, but it's pretty good for the price. Can't really complain loads for 85 quid. The support you get two like memory foam pads, one for the neck or head, and then you get one for the actual lower back section as well. That's quite comfortable. It's quite a large seat, so small, medium and large people will definitely fit in this seat. Personally, I think it's really comfortable, especially for the price. Yeah, it squeaks a bit, but I mean, even if you do get it for 110 and you are not like satisfied, you can always just get your money back and go for one which is like 150 or 160 pounds. But apart from that, I think it's all good really. I think it's amazing. Wheels going on first, then the base, and then there's my dad trying to help me out while I'm doing stuff, holding things up. Arms go on, then the metal bars on the bottom, they get screwed in. Now the back is going to get screwed on with the toolkit provided. Yeah, and then I'm going to attach it onto the arm, put it all together, put the foot rest on, and here's a little demo of it quickly working. You just take it out, flap it open. Quite comfortable actually, I'm not gonna lie. And then you just pop it away. A little bit stiff at first, but it's all good. There's me lowering myself onto lowering the actual back of the seat, then opening that up. And it's actually really comfortable when you're sitting in it. And as you can tell, I'll put my thumb up in a second, and it is very comfortable when you're doing that. And here's some B-roll shots of the actual device and me editing. It's super comfortable. I've sat in this chair for like 4 or 5 hours, and I'm not joking. It's super comfortable, especially for the price. Cheap sometimes, but for example, the feel of it, not the highest quality for the material, but for 85 quid you can't really complain. And it's black and white, goes with my setup pretty well. A little bit cheap plasticky feel sometimes. For example, the armrest can be a bit clanky sometimes, as you can hear. Sometimes the seat is a bit squeaky when you're bouncing up and down on it, but yeah, apart from that it's all good. Tried to put a bit of WD-40 on it, but unfortunately it doesn't work sometimes. As you can see, I'm testing out the chair, a bit squeaky sometimes, but for 85 quid can't really complain much really. But if you want to get this exact same chair, get it at the link below. Best available prices at Amazon. And that's all for this video. As you can see, I'm enjoying it so much. That's all for this video. If you liked it, hit it a like. If you loved it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be doing more on my MacBook Pro 14-inch. Thanks for watching.